right, so now we have the OP9A. This is a 9mm diameter suppressor. It is rated for 300 blackout subsonic. I don't think I'm going to get it. Okay, so it is kind of lined up. Got some subsonic 300 with the Poverty bolt action scout rifle. I'm going to pretend like I'm actually aiming out here. Yeah, let's see if this thing survives. I am not hopeful about this. I'm gonna duck down a little bit because let's see where we're going with here. Sensational. Okay. All right, so yeah, PLA might not have been the move, guys, but that's what science is all about. We come out here, we try some stuff. Hopefully that didn't hit my relatively expensive scope, because that would be really sad. But yeah, I'm gonna go see if I can find all of those pieces.